So let me continue that. S here is a variable that carries string. If we say that we store hello at S, and then we want to change hello, actually inside the memory, the space allocated for hello will not be able to be used anymore. So it means that we are not able to go to the same memory storage or same memory address and we change it. No. So we just ignore that and we allocate a new space that carries a new string. And then we link it to S, and that old space will be reused by the operating system again. I think you didn't study how the operating system works from inside, right? Did you study any subject about operating system?
No.
Okay. That will be a little bit. I think it is a theoretical knowledge, but you still need to learn, especially if you go into the cybersecurity direction. Then, yeah, you will need to learn about how operating system works. But anyhow, at the moment, so you are not able to change something like that. So you are not able to say, I want to change only one character inside that string. That's not allowed. That will give you an error. But you are able to say something like that. Do you know what this will do?
No.
Okay. So if you have S and then forget about the whole expression, but now you know that this do slicing, right? So this S will slice this hello. So it will slice from what? From 1 until what? What is that? Len S. What is the length of hello? Hello? Hello?
1, 2, 4. Where it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
But that's not the length. The length is 5.
Yeah.
So the length equals 5. And if we say we want to slice from 1 until 5, so which portion that you will get from here? If I say like that, what is the result? What will come out?
Yeah, length is 5, so you'll get all, but then you say 1, so then won't it be the index 1, right? So you only get 3, 2, 3, 4, which is LLO.
So why don't you get E? E is at 1.
Oh, yeah, you get E also, sorry.
So you get that. Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
yeah.
Okay. And then you add to what you get from here. So this portion yield up this string. Okay. And then you add Y to it. So
yeah, okay, I see.
okay. I'm sorry, but please write this again.
Okay. I get an error.
On which line?
The second one. The SO in
So
brackets, the zero in brackets.
yes, you have to comment that because you are not allowed to put y inside. So you're not able to change a single character
Oh,
only.
I
You
see.
have to change the whole thing.
Okay. Yeah, okay, it works.
Okay. Did you print S, please? To confirm that this is what you get?
Yeah, I printed it already.
Okay.
I got it.
We know how for loops works. And then, okay. Can you understand this code? So we are using loops to loop through a string. So index in range, and we put the length of S. So what is the length of S here?
8.
Okay, so, okay, that's good. So the index value will be from 0 until,
Uh, wait. So what, from 0 until 7?
yes, okay, that's correct. So what is this if statement going to do for us?
Uh, S. Oh, okay, so it's just checking if there's a I or U in the S.
Okay, is any I or U here?
No.
Okay, so what is the difference between this for loop and
Hmm.
the for loop below?
It's using character in S. Right. If character or character E. Okay, so it's using this character instead
So
of index.
we already take for each loop in Java, right?
Yeah,
So this is a for each. So instead
right.
of writing an index and then you have to worry about what index you are trying to refer to, is it 0 or whatever? So you say for every character in the S string, it will assign it here. And then you check that if it contains whatever character that you want to check. Please write that code.
Okay. Both or just the
Just the last one.
okay.
But you have to also write this line because that is the one defining the string itself. How is it so far?
Almost done, I think. There is an I or U. Okay, there you go.
It doesn't print anything?
Wait, I use is instead of in. In as. Expected indent after 4. Did I not indent? Yeah, I didn't indent. Okay, there you go. Then this also I need to indent. Okay. Yeah, it didn't print anything.
Okay. So can you please add I to the string S?
Yeah, now it prints.
Okay, that's good. So I will stop here. I will not
Okay.
I will not add anything anymore, but I'm just trying to emphasize to you again that there is a lot of things that you can do using Python. Using
Yeah.
Python, you are able to write scripts that can go to the inside each folder inside your hard disk and do some checking. I'm able to
Yeah.
use Python. I personally use it to resize images. So if I have 100 or 1,000 image in a folder, I'm able to write maybe 6 or 7 lines that
Yeah.
open each image, resize the length and the width of and the height, length and height of
Yeah.
each image, and even change it. Okay, so that is one thing. I'm able to even convert PDF files to images. I'm able to go
Right.
through videos and even take images for single images from that videos, or even take mark the eye or mark only the face from inside the video. A lot of things can be done in Python. So it's really interesting. I know you get bored very fast, but I just want you to wait until the end of the course of Python. There is a lot of things you can do. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. See you next class.
Okay. See you.
Okay. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay, take care. Bye-bye.